Every single stock you own is fake, and here's why. Just because a stock is going up doesn't mean that the company is actually making money. Tesla in 2019, Q1 of 2019, they lost 702 million. Q2 of 2019, they lost over $400 million. And by the second half of 2019, the stock went from $230 to over $400 a share. See, when you own the physical asset, this is why I love gold and I love silver. You own the brick, you own the coin, you own the asset. You're staring at it, it's right in front of you. Okay. Now, if I own a brick of silver, and then there's the silver futures. The silver futures have shit to do with the brick itself. That's why JP Morgan got fined for manipulating the price of silver futures, because it was collateralized by an asset, silver, that JP Morgan, the ETF, didn't actually own. Okay? So please understand that while stocks are easy to get into, and everybody can get into a stock because you can get stuff for $1, $10, $100. Okay, please understand that you're not the one in control. There can be a stock split, the market can dump, it becomes a supply demand. Who's selling, who's buying? Is there a greater buy? Is there a greater sell? If there's a greater sell, stock plummets. If there's a greater buy, it goes up. But anybody can decide to publish news, talk a bunch of speculation, and make a fake asset go up in value. There's very few assets that escape that level of manipulation. And guess what? They are all hard assets: oil, gold, real estate, silver, energy. Okay. That is why I go into hard assets, because while there is manipulation, there's a lot more control. They have stood the test of time. They hedge against inflation. And guess what? I don't let the banks decide what kind of rates I pay and when I can borrow money. I lend capital to myself.